Alright, my A&W crew, here we go. So we're moving on to something called mean, median, and mode. This is the start of really kind of like data analysis and statistics and stuff like that. So some simple things, some of the very basic ideas. What is the mean, what is the median, and what is the mode, and what is the range? Although the range isn't on the title page. I guess it's a ding. Nice. Alright, so let's start off with some of the definitions. The mean, right? The mean is the average. So the average. And that's the sum, so you total up all the x values, so we're going to sum all the x values divided by the number of x values. We'll have a look at some examples in a moment, but that's how you calculate them up. So sum, if you recall, means to add. So add up all our values, and then we're going to divide by the number they are. Like some of the guys might know goals against average or batting average in baseball. So goals against average would be you add up all the goals the goalie has had, and then you divide it by the number of games that they played, and you get the goals against average. Same with batting average. There's all sorts of averages everywhere. So mean is just another fancy name for average. The median, the way to remember the median, for those of you who are getting your driver's license maybe, is in the middle of the road, you have the median. So the median is the middle number. Okay, so it's the middle number. The middle number. Mode is the most popular. Okay, if you know a little bit of French, pie a la mode means pie in the fashion, so the most fashionable. So mode means the most popular, so if you have like several of the same numbers in a long list, then that's the mode. And then the range is the highest minus the lowest. So the highest minus the lowest. So you might want to just pause this video. It's around the 2:20 mark of your video here, and so this way you can get the definitions of what these guys mean. Because we're going to have a look at what the mean means and what the median means. Ha ha, that's a joke. Okay, so let's have a look at a typical question, alright? Okay, so here's a set of data, scores on a quiz, right up here, and I ask you to calculate the mean, or the average. So you add all those numbers up, and we got to count the number that there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 numbers. I'm going to add them all up and divide by 10. That's how we calculate the mean, so let's have a look. Alright, so I add them all up. I get 103, and there's 10 of them. So 103 divided by 10 is... So there's your average right there, 10.3, no problem. That's where it is. Easy peasy. Now let's go on to the median, and you got to do some shenanigans with that. Okay, so I need to rearrange the letters from lowest to highest, or the numbers from lowest to highest, and that will help us figure out where the middle is. So let's check that out. Okay, so I've got them rearranged from lowest to highest, and to find the middle, I just take a number on the end, and I cancel it out with the other number there, and I just see what I get when I get to the middle. Let's have a look. Right, so I cancel out the 1 and the 16, and then I go again, and I cancel out the 6 and the other 16, and the 7 and the 13, and the other 7 and the 13. Oh, wait a minute, I got 2 in the middle. What do we do when we have 2 in the middle? We take the average of the 2 in the middle is what we do. So if there's only 1 in the middle, boom, that's your number. Like if we didn't have that 11 there, then 13 would be in the middle, and that would be your median. But because there's 2 of them, we got to take the average of those 2 numbers. No big deal, right? 11 plus 13 divided by 2, what's that? 24 divided by 2, so that's 12. There's the median, right? So if you have 2 of them, then you take the average of the middle. And that's the median. So let's do the mode. The mode's easy, right? It's the one with the most numbers. So just looking up here, right, there's 3 13s. So the mode is 13 because there's 3 of them. Yeah, I have 2 16s and I have 2 7s, but not enough. So 13 is the most popular, so that's the mode. We'll look at that, and then we'll look at the range. Okay, so the mode is the most common. Easy peasy. Right, there's 3 13s, that's them there. I hate doing this in the mirror. It's really, really hard. There you go. 313. So the mode is equal to 13. And of course the range, well, that's from the highest minus the lowest. So the range is equal to the high number minus the low number. And we can find those here. The high number is 16 and the low number is 1. So I have a range of 15 numbers. So mean, median, and mode, that's how you calculate the mode. Alright guys, so the booklet is there. You've got the first page just kind of gets you to do general calculations. The second page requires you to use your reading skills to help calculate some of the numbers, because the questions get a little bit cheeky and it's one of those joke pages. Alright folks, so take care, stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care, bye.